Okay, let's get started with the first step of our process. At first we have to go to the website of the Euclidean UD SDK. It is our SDK which we want to use for remote rendering. When we go in this website page, in the first page, UD SDK, we need to coming down, and in here we have to download the Unity project of this SDK. It will be look like the full project as a zip file. When we download it and extract it on somewhere in your computer, import it to your Unity editor, and in here as you can see, I've used the Unity 2020.1.16. However, you can use the newest version of it, for example 2020.3 or higher. And after that you can change the platform to Android. As you see, I've changed it to Android platform for better testing in the other devices, mobile devices. As you can see, as a default, it is two scene. It has two scenes, menu 3D and basic render. But before that, we have to register an account in this website, and for doing that we have to come here, UD stream, and click here. And as you can see, it has an option. It's called register. You have to click here and register a new account in here. It is free and very easy. And after that you have to come here, download now, and at first you need to log in. In here you can see different options of the editor, because you have to edit your 3D model to export a specific format, then import it to your system. I propose to download the UD stream for Windows and download it. It will be like a very small application on your Windows. After that you need to come here, and inside of Unity you can see a new tab in your Unity editor. It's called Euclidean, and when you do that, UD SDK login, you have to write your username and password you have registered by them, and confirm it. When you do that, your system will can support and connect to the UD SDK server, and your account will be confirmed by them, and you can use their service as a remote rendering system. Okay, as you can see, this SDK has been installed as an inside of a new folder. It's called plugins in your asset folders, and you can see it has a lot of options, a lot of scripts, but our target is inside of sample scenes. Sorry, in the sample scenes we can see a lot of scenes in here, but our target will be in menu 3D. This is exactly that scene, and in here make sure the canvas will be on, because as a default it is off, and check it on, and you have to write your username and password in here again, because you need them for login. When you do that, and it is as a default I've added my username and password in here to save our time, and click on login. Now we are in the scene, and resume and succeed. I could connect to the SDK, and I can see my 3D model in here. Now it seems our system ready to work. Okay, let's go to the next step for how we can import our customized model.